Within our field, it is common to have areas that need to be treated as non-cultivated acres. Uncultivated areas can either run entirely across a field, such as a waterway, or be contained within the field, such as an isolated pond. Removing uncultivated areas of the field is important for saving on unneeded inputs. The basic rule for determining if an area of land should be marked as uncultivated is whether or not the area has ever been farmed or ever will be farmed. If the answer is no, then go ahead and remove it from being a cultivated area. For example, this field has a waterway that runs through it, and we don't want to include this as part of our cultivated area. To remove an uncultivated area that runs entirely across a field, we will use the Split Polygon tool. Selecting Split Polygons, we first click outside of the field boundary. Then, trace the edge of the uncultivated area, clicking to drop vertices as needed along the way. We will trace the edge of this waterway along one side of its boundary until we are completely outside of the field, then back along the other side. Just like when we created the original field boundary, double-click the mouse to close the polygon. Now, activate the Select tool and click on the uncultivated area to select it. To unselect an area, simply click on the area a second time and it will be deselected. Notice that when the area is selected, the Select area at the bottom of the screen displays a value. With the area that needs to be removed selected, click Clear Selected Feature. Once the uncultivated area is cleared, it subtracts those acres from the total cultivated area. We will now remove the other waterway. First, activate the Split Polygons tool. Remember that we must start outside of the boundary. Then, we digitize around the area that needs to be removed until we are once again outside of the boundary. Then, trace the other side. Double-click to close the polygon, activate the Select tool, click within the polygon to select it, then choose Clear Selected Feature. Once an area has been removed, if need be, the Edit Vertices feature can be selected, then vertices moved to more accurately align with the boundary.